Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bargain bike special with me today. It's a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 500. It's a cool little bike. Good starter bike if you're just looking into getting into the sport, motorcycle riding. I think this would be a good choice. It's got a metallic red paint job, 500cc, parallel twin, with a 6-speed transmission and dual carburetors. It's also liquid cooled. It's a peppy little power plant right there. It's got some forward controls. We do keep our bargain bikes in a separate area from our frontline bikes. We make good deals on them so we can pass the savings on to you. We sell them as is, test ride them, get them cleaned up, make sure they pass the Texas state inspection, and we put them out for sale. This one's actually very clean. I think it's got pretty low miles. It's got a small little dent right there on the gas tank, and then it's got a few little scratches back here on the fender. Other than that, very clean bike. It's got the dual chrome exhaust, good tire on the rear, plenty of tread left. It is a chain-driven bike, so it'd be pretty easy to change those sprockets and gear it up or down, however you like to ride. It's got a 2-up seat, so you can ride with the passenger. It's got passenger pegs down here. Here's your petcock and here's your choke. Let's see, I think that's 22,523 miles. That actually could be 2,252 miles. Make sure you check our website, Clean Harleys, and that'll tell you the exact mileage. I don't know how they differentiate that last digit. I don't know if it's tenths. So check out Clean Harleys just to double check that, or get with our sales team. It's got a nice tall windshield on the front, good wind protection, and it is quick release. It's got these little latches, so it pops right off real easy. Good tire on the front. It's got the chrome wire wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. I don't think this one has a gas gauge, so basically how you do it, you got the petcock right here. When you fill up, swap it to the on position. When it starts cutting out going down the road, you just switch it to reserve. Then you gotta think about a gallon left before you need to fill up. All right, let's fire it up. Quiet little motor, sounds nice and tight, no strange noises, revs up just smooth. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.